So let me introduce myself. I'm Kavita. I'm sure I'm having 8 years of total experience into SAP and 6 years into teaching. So I'm teaching on the same module from last 6 years. Apart from the Employee Central, I also teach on the time of PMGM, learning and management, as well as the payroll as well. So my previous in the last 6 years, I have given the training to different corporates as well. So some of my clients are Leads Catalyst, VIIT, Atos, Wings Offer, Daksha Academy, Kodak Consulting, eTechno, Cisenova, IBM, Stripe Data, Capgemini, and MyLearnnest. So these are the clients where I can deliver the corporate trainings, and the modules I have delivered are like Employee Central, Time of Payroll, and LMS, which is a learning management system. This is about myself. So everyone, please introduce yourself so that I can know easily about you and what exactly we are teaching also. Even I will feel great that people are from which background and why we are learning all these things. So please introduce yourself one by one. So Sheshu, he is a fresher. So freshers, don't worry the whether what you can introduce and all. So just tell me your name, what education background you are, and where are you from. Experience, please introduce about yourself, like with your name, where are you from, and how many years of experience you have in which domain. That's it. No company, no like don't disclose your company names and all. So first
Good
we
evening,
have,
ma'am.
yeah.
This is Seshu Khatwa Seshu. I am studying degree final year, ma'am.
Okay.
I am the fresher.
Okay. Good.
Mm,
Good, Sesh.
okay, ma'am.
Others?
Hi, Kavita.
Hi.
This is Ravina. I have 1.7 years of work experience in Tech Mahindra.
Okay.
So, I have for performance testing in 6 months of experience.
Okay. Good, Ravin.
Yeah.
Hi Kavita, this is best to mention the names of particular person who you wanted to make announced.
Okay, Vijay, introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi Kavita, this is Vijay. I have 6 years of experience in the HR background. I just wanted to learn the SAP as it continues my HR background.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Now, so somebody didn't mention the name as well. Ravina Merugo, another one, Ravina.
No, I have introduced myself.
Yes, sir.
Kavita.
She had.
Okay, two Ravinas are there. Okay. Sunil?
Okay. What? My
Good
name
evening,
is
ma'am.
Ravina Mirudu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Hi, Sunil. Good evening.
My name is Sunil. I have 2.5 years of experience in accounting field.
Okay.
Actually, I am working on SAP software. For improving my skills, I have joined today's section. Thank you, ma'am.
Good, good. Sukanya? Hi, Sukanya.
Sukanya is not having the mic.
Okay.
She can message if you want, I think.
Okay. Miss Sukanya, if you want, you can just message over the chat box. Another we have. Okay, only 7. Okay, thank you so much for your time today. So let's dive into the course today. So what today's agenda is, what and all we will be covering. So first, introduction to SAP as well as success factor, and next is what is SAP, what is success factor, and what is the history of success factor, what are the key modules in success factor, who are the competitors, who can learn success factor, and what are the prerequisites required for this course, and what about the certification process, and what kind of jobs we will be getting into the success factors. So these are the 10 main points we will be learning for today. So first, what exactly the SAP? So everyone will pronounce as SAP, SAP. So whatever the name required. But the basic what we have to do is we have to pronounce like a SAP. So this is three different word. Like it stands for System, Application, and Products in Data Processing. So SAP is a German multinational software corporation that specializes in the enterprise software. So enterprise software is nothing but the ERP software, which helps in all the HR transaction, finance, human resources, supply chain, manufacturing, customer relationship, and management. So ERP is nothing but it is also a cloud software which helps in all kind of services for all the organization. So this is about SAP. Next, what exactly about the success factor and how the success factor and SAP has been collaborated. Now learn about the success factor. Success factor is also a cloud-based human capital software, and it is also developed by the German multinational company only. It is same like a HCM. Previously, we had a application called a human capital management called HCM. Same in the same process only success factors also works. It also provide all the functionalities what human capital management is providing. But why success factors came into the picture after having the HCM and after having all the other software also, we will see one by one. Now about this history of success factor, what exactly the history, who invented this one, how it came into the picture. So success factors was foundation was laid into the 2001 by the name Lars Dahlgren. He is the person who invented this software called SAP Success Factor. So previously when he was founded this application, this is not a SAP Success Factor. Only the names with the name of success factors only he introduced in the year of 2001. In the 2000 year, the expansion happened for the success factor by the national stock markets and all, by its popularity only. From 2007 to 2011, the application was a huge response compared to all other application. So by seeing the response for the application, SAP reached to the success factor. Even though SAP has a HCM application, but still it went to the success factor and it acquired its services in the year of 2015. So why after having HCM also it went to the success factor and acquired is, the main reason is in success factors we don't have any coding, and in HCM what we have to do is we have to remember the transactional codes when we are entering some data or when we are configuring the system. But in success factor we no need to learn about any codes and we don't need to understand any kind of transactional codes. Only with the help of action search, by giving the action search only, you can configure your complete system without any coding experience. So because of that easiness and because of that feasibility only, from 2016, SAP rebranded the success factor and it came into the picture with all the functionalities. And from the 2016 to till now, it has 110 million customers are there for SAP success factors. So when I say the customers means it's not about companies who are using it. It's about how many users are using the SAP success factors software. So till from 2016 to 2022, we have all different 9 modules and 9 functionalities in the success factors. So key modules in the success factor. So success factors is not only one not only one feature. We have different features related to the different domain. So when we say features and all, so first is like a employee central. So Employee Central is a foundation module where first initially when we are learning the course, so we will be starting from the Employee Central. After that we have recruitment module. So people who are coming from the recruitment background also, they can learn the recruiting and they can jump their career for the SAP SuccessFactors consultant. After that we have onboarding module. So onboarding is all about the paperwork and what and all the documentations required for the people, like once the person join into the company, what kind of documents we need to collect, what kind of documents we are providing from the company. So everything will be configured in the onboarding module. Next, it comes as a learning management system. So what exactly the learning management system? So there are companies like edutech and Byju's, this kind of companies are there. For this kind of companies, we will be having the software called LMS. Means one it's for the tutor and one is for the candidates who are taking. So in the tutor, we will be configuring the lessons and the curriculum, what exactly they required. And it one for the people who are taking the training for them, like how to log in into that and how to take that courses and what content they will be following. So everything we will be configuring. Next is like a performance and goal management. So what exactly the performance and goal management is in the company? So we will be having a software to record every transaction of an employee from the every quarter, what is exactly their performance and how the employee can put up into the company. So for that transaction also we will be using one application. Next is like a succession and development. Succession and development is nothing but taking one backup candidate. So keeping a backup candidate into the company or keeping one candidate is ready on the place of any position is vacant or not. So all those kind of configuration will take up into the succession and development. So this is another module. Next is like a compensation module where every payroll transactions happen. Workforce analytics and planning, Employee Central payroll, Employee Central service center, employee engagement and survey, time and attendance. These are different modules and functionalities where we can see into the SAP SuccessFactors. Apart from these modules also, SAP is planning more different modules, almost 40 different modules in future based on the surveys they have from the companies. So all these modules are available in the SuccessFactors. So you may get doubt that if we are learning SAP SuccessFactors means we have to learn all these modules or not. No, even after having 8 years of experience also, I know only 4 modules only. So people who are coming new to this industry, so they can go with the Employee Central, and after that, based on the experience and the company requirement, we can learn the other modules based on the company's requirement or based on your interest or based on people who are coming from recruitment accounts and all. Based on their domain also, you can choose what other modules can best suit for your profile. After that, so till now it is clear what exactly SAP and SuccessFactors.
Yes, Kavita.
Okay, everyone clear?
Yes, Kavita.
Okay.
Yes.
Freshers like Sheshu and other Sunil. Sunil is all experienced. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 plus some other people also join. Okay, so now till now we learned about that it is best from SAP HCM and all. So when we say one application is best means the competitor should be there, right? Without the competitor, that application will not work out. Means it will be work out after only some period of time, not this many years. So if we can say SuccessFactor is running in the industry from almost 2007 to till now, and still there is more demand in the industry. So why the demand? So why the demand means it is competing with the competitors based on the features, based on the feasibility, accessibility, and everything. So who are the competitors? So when we speak about the competitor, the best competitor is HCM itself. In SAP, we have HCM module, which has same functionality like a success factors. But HCM is different, success factors is different. When we go for the HCM, we need to understand the transactional codes. So people who are coming from non-technical background, or people be like CC, other students, they cannot understand that much transactional codes. Even for BTech background with other domains also, they will not understand that much. So people will not refer that much to go HCM. So everyone will be coming to the success factor because of the easiness of the application. Apart from that one, who are the competitors? So Oracle HCM cloud is one more application. Workday, ADP, Cornerstone on Demand, Ultimate Software, Microsoft Dynamic, Infor Cloud Suite, Ceridian Dayforce, Kronos Workforce, IBM Talent Source. So these are the different application. These application are also providing the same functionality what SuccessFactors is providing. But when we have to jump into this software, we need to have some kind of coding, some kind of transactional codes experience. So that's the reason these applications are not that much recommended for. No, I'm not saying it's not about recommended. So apart from this application, SAP SuccessFactor has taken a place like a one step ahead into the market. Who can learn success factors? So where we discuss about all the competitors and easiness and all. So next is like who can learn success factors. So mainly people who are from the HR professional background, they can learn this course. So why they can learn is, in success factor, we are configuring the system how the company requires. Means what is exactly the configuration means. Suppose we have taken one mobile. So in the mobile, what we will do for initially when we take in the mobile, we will change the wallpaper. We will set up the contacts. We will what kind of ringtone we required, what kind of themes we required, what is the page size, font size, where the application should put up. So everything we will configure according to our requirement. So one product we have purchased, and in that product, if what are the features we required, we have configured according to our requirement. Same way, in a company, the company will purchase this service from the SAP, and in for that cloud application, we need one consultant who can configure that software according to the company's requirement. So who can like whatever the configuration process takes place, so everyone can do that. So not only freshers or human resource professional, so people from different area also learn this application. So first is human resource professional. Freshers also can learn. Talent acquisition specialist, learning and development specialist, and as well as compensation, people who are coming from accounts background, people who are coming from reporting background, IT background, business background, and executives, and as executives also non-IT background also, people can learn this one, and they can also configure the application. After that, what are the prerequisites required for SAP SuccessFactors? So what exactly the prerequisites? The prerequisites mean what exactly we need to have to learn this application. So people from different background only need a somewhat a computer language, as well as we need the license and subscription from the SAP. So those are called as servers. So servers will be provided who are taking the trainings, and also servers will be given to you. So in the servers only, we will be practicing and learning about this module. After that, what about a certification process? So SAP is not only like other application, like we are learning and just leaving the application. So first, when we are learning this application, this is learning this software, we need to write an examination as well. where this examination takes place in a global level. So the certification value is also into the global level. So first we need to register the examination on SAP official portal. So on whatever the day you need required, according to your feasibility, you can take the exam. So in the exam, 80 questions will be there, and in that 69 is the pass percentage. So before December, it was only 65% to clear the exam, but now it is 69% you have to get to for the qualified examination. And once the certification issued from the SAP, so you are globally certified consultant, and you can get a different opportunities in all the MNC market, MNC companies, and maintaining the certification. So once you get the certification, so every 6 months or 1 year, you have to renew the certification as well. So it is not that much important. Once you certified, it's fine. But when we are going in the bigger level and bigger jobs and all, then we need to renew our certification as well. So what is the certification cost and how to apply this one? So once we start the course, at that time, we will discuss more about this one. So once you get the certification, what kind of jobs you will be getting into the market? So you will be getting from the starting, you will be hired as a success factor consultant. So who can configure the system, or who can work as a shadow consultant to the lead consultants. After that, like a success factor administrator, project manager, analyst. Second. And as a support specialist, as a trainer, as a data migration specialist, as a talent manager and consultant, recruitment specialist, or employee central specialist. So this kind of roles you will be getting once you are a certified consultant. Based on your experience, your job designations will be changed. According to that only, you will be having your roles and responsibilities. I hope I'm clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is
Yes,
all about the introduction to the SAP. So now let me show you how the software looks like, what kind of login we will be going through into the software. So till now, if you have any questions, you can ask. We are moving to the further chapter.
No, Kavita, you can continue.
Okay, no questions. Everyone clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Kavita.
Okay. So once we start our practical process, once we enter into the SAP SuccessFactors environment, we will be having different kinds of login. One will be the master login, which can be called as a provisioning login, and one is the instance login. So I'll show you how the instance login looks like and what we can work, how to configure our system as a small demo. We will not go in depth of the complete login, only a small demo about how the page looks like and what kind of configuration we can do into the system. So once we come into this one, so everyone will be having the links from SAP for officially to log in into the software. From there only we will be getting our ID and password from the master login. So after giving the login ID and password, we will be now entering into the application. So this is the application dashboard, how it looks like once we enter with the ID and password. So this is here, whatever you can see on this page, everything is configured. As example, I told you, like while purchasing the mobile, how we can configure the mobile as per our requirement. So same way, this is a theme actually. So this theme can be configured according to the client requirement. So what exactly the client? Suppose you are working for a client called a TCS. So TCS has purchased this application from SAP. So for that application, you will be configuring them according to their requirement. So here you will be creating like uploading the TCS logo and the TCS homepage, like for maybe their building or the TCS logo dashboard, the color according to you, the client requirement, the quick action. These are called quick action. So everything can be configured according to the client itself. So let me show you how to configure all these things or how to do these settings into the system. Before that, what exactly this page is speaking about? So this is the logo container. Here we will be uploading the logo, and this particular box is nothing but module picker. So here we can see that how many modules are activated for the particular company. Apart from that, we have admin center, organization chart, my employee profile, as well as the objectives. So here in the live system, when you're working for a company, you cannot see all these things, only only the license, how many subscription they have taken, only employee central, payroll, that many things you can see in a module picker. And apart from that, everything will be not visible. And this one is nothing but action search. So this is the main part in the SAP. Here only we will be giving a search, we giving a command, and based on the command, we will enter into the page wherever we need to configure or customize the system. So what exactly that one? So what kind of commands we will be giving? Suppose you need to add one employee into the system. So in HCM, what happens is you have to remember a transactional code. Once you go give the code, then only that page will open. But here, how it happens is only just by giving the command, you can land up on the page wherever you require. Suppose add new employee. So just give a command, add new employee. So employee or associate is nothing but same. So just click on this add new associate. So we are here now to add an employee. So just give the data, what kind of day, what is the hiring date, what the company is for, what is the event. Event is nothing but what kind of hiring you are doing, whether it is a fresh employee or already rejoining, any kind of event. Based on the situation, we can select the name information, the biographical information. So after giving the details, one ID will be created on that particular person. So this is for one employee when we want to work with the add of one employee. So what about like if you want to add like hundreds or thousands of employees, because in MNC companies there are thousands or employees are working in the company, and we need to migrate or we need to add the data at a time. So for that one also we have the feature called import employee data, import associate or import employee data. So this meeting is going to end. Once it is end, you can join the same link. So here on this page, we can import the data, whether it is thousands or 10,000 plus employees are there. Only we will be downloading that template and we will forward this template to the client, means other side, whoever the client is interacting with you, whether they're HR person or admin person, we will hand over this template to them. And in that template, they will be giving you all the details like a basic import. So first of all, when we are entering the employee or new associates we are creating, we will just select the template called a basic import.